Hello everybody, my name is Kim and welcome back to Reps. And today I'm here at Alabang, Philippines, okay? And I'm here at Kickstand. Kickstand is a popular hangout for bikers. So if you're into touring bikes, street bikes, mountain bikes, and road bikes, this is the hangout where all these hobbyists and bike enthusiasts hang out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try their food here. It's a restaurant. They serve Filipino comfort food and Western food. Okay, so this is it. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna check out their menu. So I've been craving for Tuna Kilawin. Okay, so it's Tuna Kilawin is basically sashimi grade tuna cubes mixed with vinegar. Okay, I'll show you the details more in the description. And Tokwa't Baboy, it's tofu and pork plus iced lemon tea and garlic rice. That's what I'm gonna order today here at Kickstand. Okay, so these are some of the food that I've been craving for when I visit the Philippines. So I haven't eaten that yet. So this is going to be my first time, not my first time, but it's going to be what I'm going to eat today here at Kickstand. Okay, so stay tuned and don't go away. Okay. Hey, my food just arrived. This is Kilawin. It's raw tuna, really high grade sashimi with vinegar. Okay, this one is Tokwa't Baboy. It's fried tofu with pork and soy sauce and some of the herbs and spices. Okay, it's spicy and I love it very much. Okay, and their famous chicken wings. Yeah, so this is their chicken wings. Okay, you guys should really try this chicken wing. It has what sauce is this? Sambal sauce, and what sauce is this?
Sweet sauce.
Sweet sauce. Okay, sweet sauce. My buddy is in front of me, but he doesn't want to be showing the video. And next will be the garlic rice. Okay, this is my favorite garlic rice. Every time I come here in the Philippines, I always order garlic rice. Okay, I'm gonna try the Kilawin. Okay, let's get this spoon and fork. Okay guys, don't forget, yeah, I'm here at Kickstand. Boom. Okay, Kickstand guys. Okay, I'm gonna try their Kilawin. Okay, raw tuna. Okay, okay, with sauces here. Look at that. Raw. If you guys are into sashimi, you guys should try this. Huh. My God, man. I missed this shit. Oh, sorry. I missed this stuff. I gotta edit that. Garlic rice is my favorite. Really my favorite. Okay, next one I'm gonna try is, wait, let's move this around here. Okay, it's the Tokwa't Baboy. Okay, so it's a tofu and pork. Okay, let's get some of the tofu. Tofu and pork here. See. So this will be the tofu, this will be the pork, and some of this onions and chilies. So I'm gonna try this, put it with my garlic rice. You guys can see me? Okay, you guys can see me. Okay, so here. Pork still very crunchy. Tofu is crunchy outside and very soft and chewy inside. They cooked it really well. Okay. Man, I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna go fly back to Malaysia next week, and then I'm gonna do other vlogs. So if you guys are in the Philippines, you guys should check out Kickstand. It's located in Alabang. I'll put the details below. So if you go here, you could see a lot of motorcycle shops and just sells accessories, motorcycles, and high-end cars. Okay, if you guys are into motorcycles, vehicles, cars, high-end, this is the place to come. And while you're doing your window shopping for cars and motorcycles and accessories, you can drop by here at Kickstand and check out their food. Okay, and bicycles as well. Okay, so yeah, bicycles. Yeah, so they have like road bikes and MTB. What's MTB? Mountain bikes. If you guys into the mountain bikes and road bikes, this is the area you gotta come here. So once you check out the stores here, you check out Kickstand, Café, and Brew. Okay? Don't forget, I'm gonna put the details below. Okay, so I'm gonna continue eating. Oh yeah, I forgot to try the chicken. Sorry. Chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put the sambal. Okay. You didn't see that. Okay, let me do it again. I'm gonna put the sambal. Let's see how their sambal tastes. Is it better than sambal in Malaysia, sambal Singapore, or it's better than, or it's way better than everybody? Okay, the skin is crispy. The meat is still moist, it's not overcooked. That tastes good, man. That tastes good. It's different, but it tastes good. It's really nice. No wonder one of the best dishes here, the chicken wings. Okay, and I'm gonna try their iced tea. Okay? Their homemade iced tea, guys. I don't know what they put inside, but it's not sweet, it's not overpowering, it's just right. The ice is just right. That's really, really nice. Okay, the food is perfect for me here at Kickstand. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification button and comment. Okay, and see you again next time.